I'm supposed to talk about about growing up in West Texas. I'll talk about boots and roots and rocks. The boots are a unique thing. I've always worn boots. I've wore boots since I was young. Wore boots silly all my life. All different kinds of boots. My thing about boots is this. Boots are a lot like people. You see a brand new fresh pair of boots and they can be beautiful. And they can be very good for purpose. You can have work boots. You can have ropers. You can have your beautiful ostrich skin or crocodile Lucchese's that were thousands of dollars. They're beautiful and they're shiny, but you're gonna use them, you're gonna wear them, and over time, they lose a little of that shine. You may get dirt on them when they get cracked, dry, have some scuffs on them. You may even wear a heel out or get a hole in the sole. But here's the thing, and exactly how boots are like people. You can repair them. You can knock that dust off. You can shine them up. You can get them resoled. You can fix that hole. You can repair it. You can make it like new again. And there may be a little bit of scratch. There may be a patina to it. But that's life. That's that beautiful, lived-in, earned look. And that's all I like life too. The roots part, what's funny about midlife is, in this stage of life, is a lot of people are always looking to reinvent. I gotta reinvent myself. I gotta find something new. But it took me a while to figure out that the key is really looking at who you were. Go back to your roots, where you grew up, where you're from, what you wanted to do, and who you were before the world, society, other people, mistakes, experience, put a label on you. And I think that's the thing for a lot of people to say, geez, you realize there was something that I gave up along the way. So I want to go back to my roots. And that's important, of who you really are when nobody's watching. And you're yourself. And the big rocks. Big rocks, that's a tough one. I still wrestle with that. The big rocks are all about what really matters. And unfortunately, I've spent way too much of my life chasing pebbles, chasing at least things that really didn't matter, that I thought were important at the time or big. But really, there's only a handful of big rocks. The older you get, it's your people, your family, your love. Being true to yourself. It's different for everybody. But that's it. It's not everything. Everything is not important. But those big rocks are. Those things that are the deal breakers, the non-negotiables, the things that you may regret if you don't pay attention to. Boy, I have a ton of regrets. I'm still working on it, like a lot of people. I think that's the thing about this part of life is you're never really going. We were taught how to grow up, and we maybe have grown up chronologically, but we're never finished growing. There's always something. I don't care if you're 50, 60, 70, there is always something that God's put in your way that's a lesson. Now granted, I've had times where I think, thank you, I've learned enough. But the key is to always be learning, to always be growing, to always be linked to who you want to be, who you're supposed to be, not who someone else thinks you ought to be, and who you want to be. That's it. There's a lot of obstacles we put in the way, but that's just a bit right there. One of the things I learned in my 40s and 50s was I gave too much energy to people who didn't give energy to me. And if I had to do it again, to tell myself something, it would be just trust your gut. You know what's up. You know what's right. You believe in yourself. You don't need somebody else to believe in you. You don't need somebody else to say it's all right. You don't need a woman or a friend or a job or anything like that. You made it to so far. You look, I've survived a lot of stuff, and I tell you, I have a 100% track record of success. I've made it to every day without it killing me yet. Now look, I've hit rock bottom several times, but I always come back. And I think that's the thing, is I chased other people, broken people, rather than just looking at myself and thinking that someone was gonna leave. And fortunately, I ended up leaving myself along the way. And for now, when I know that the runway's short, that I definitely have fewer summers ahead of me than are behind me, it's scary, but it's also kind of all right. I understand the old man I don't get a shit fear right now. Because, not to be cantank, Mr. Belligerent, but just, hey, if what matters is what I do right now with my time here, that's it. The people you think were thinking about you are not. It's up to you. And that's okay.